In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email notifications on Microsoft Forms in 2025. Whether you're using this tool for work, school, or personal projects, managing your email notifications effectively can greatly enhance your productivity and communication. Let's dive into the process. First, you need to access Microsoft Forms. Head over to forms.office.com and log in using your Microsoft account. This can be your work, school, or even a personal account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific form for which you'd like to update the email notifications. Next, you need to access the form settings. Open up the form you've chosen. In the top right corner, you'll notice a button with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Click this and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now that you're in the Settings panel, it's time to manage your notification options. Here, you will find a section labeled Notifications. Under this section, there are distinct choices for form owners and respondents. For form owners, there's an option to toggle Get Email Notification of each response. Turning this on will ensure that you get an email notification each time someone submits a response to your form. If this is turned off, you'll only be able to see responses by logging into Microsoft Forms directly. For respondents, there's an option to send email receipt to respondents. If you toggle this on, your respondents will get a copy of their answers sent to their inbox. This works best if you're collecting respondents' names or email addresses through organization accounts. In 2025, there are some exciting updates for those using Microsoft 365 Business or Education. You can personalize the subject line of response notifications to make them stand out. There's also the option to use conditional notifications, for example, sending an email only if a quiz score is below 70%. Furthermore, you can integrate Microsoft Forms with Power Automate to automate advanced tasks like sending thank you emails after submissions, notifying a team via Outlook or Teams when new responses come in, or even forwarding responses to a shared mailbox. After making these adjustments, it's crucial to test your new notification settings. Submit a test response to your form and then check your email to ensure that you've received the notification. If your form is set to send receipts to respondents, you'll want to check using a different email account to confirm this feature is working as expected. This wraps up our guide on how to manage email notifications in Microsoft Forms. Remember, taking a few minutes to set these notifications can streamline your workflow and keep you informed in real time about form submissions. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and I hope it empowers you to get the most out of Microsoft Forms.